Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on how to customize shop page with Shopbuilder plugin. So in the very beginning, go to the dashboard, plugin to add new plugin. In the search box, type Shopbuilder by Radius theme. Click on install now. Keep your patience for a few seconds. While done, click on activate. Here it is. Now move to the top at the add new plugin. Click upload plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of Shopbuilder. Then click on install now. After installing, click on activate plugin and get a few plugins. Now go to the Shopbuilder template builder to add new page. While clicking on it, you will get a template settings with some edit options like template name, its type, editor type. Then enable the active template and get several pre-built templates to work with. But if you want, you can select blank template to start from the scratch. Now click edit with Elementor. This is the interface of it. Now click on this plus icon and get some structure from where you can choose anyone. Now drag and drop archive title, then set title HTML tag. Again click on plus icon and select to the structure. Now drag the result count and drop on the first column. Here you can customize its typography, alignment, text color. Then drag products ordering and drop on the second column. Customize its typography, background color, text color, etc. And for the third column, drag and drop view mode. If you want, you can again go for further customization like its width, height, and etc. Then again select another structure of two columns. There drag the product's custom layout and drop it down. You will get 8 types of grid layouts to choose. You can try one by one and select any one from there. And then select the number of grid columns as per your needs. You can also choose list layouts of it if you want. Then let's go to the settings for the content visibility, like you can enable or disable the options to show short description, product price, product ratings, product badges, product stock count. Then go for the style for the color customization. You can change it as primary, secondary, and preloaded color. Similarly, you can customize the layout design as per your preference, like color and shadow, and for the background of content and element. Also can customize the border. You can further change the typography and the color of product title. Then go for the product price customization. You can make similar changes of each color for sale prices and regular price. Next, add to cart button. You can change the icon alignment, typography, its size, spacing, and the color. along with the border type. After that, again drag and drop Ajax product filter beside product's custom layout. This helps to add the product filters by categories, tags, prices, by ratings, and sale. You can drag it into upwards or downwards. If you want to change its color as primary and secondary color, there are also these facilities for you. You can further change the typography, size, select family, its weight, color, etc. Same customization process can be done for filter items like size, weight, label color, etc. For the checkbox, you can reset size according to your needs. Besides, you can change the color from the color picker if you want. Same customization process for the other options. Then click on Publish to see all your customization for your shop page. Here in this interface, you are watching all of our customization we have made so far. This is how you can seamlessly customize shop page with Shopbuilder plugin. Thank you for staying with us.